Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show us on how to load a processed point cloud into the Civil 3D work environment. Alright, so this is a CAD environment and you can see the point cloud which can be viewed from different perspectives, and you can also perform some other measurements on this point cloud data, so you can get the distance or the height of the building. You can calculate the distance between the roads, so everything is actually done to scale. Right, so I'm just going to show you how to import the raw data into your Civil 3D work environment. So you are meant to have your data in the RCP format. So the Civil 3D does not reach LAS or LAZ format, it reaches the RCP or RCS format. Okay, so you can check the description of this video to see how to convert LAZ or LAS to RCP or RCS format. So first off is now to launch into your Civil 3D metric. So it's loaded up. So I do advise users to set up coordinate system of any data you want to import. So this is a TM dataset. So just set up your coordinate system of your data you want to import. Okay, and click apply and OK. So after you set up your coordinate system, you can now click on insert, then you navigate to attach point cloud. So you click on this attach, then you navigate to the folder where you have your point cloud data. So I have come up under my YouTube folder, then you select it. When you select, you can see the two formats, either RCP or RCS. Right, so you can now click on open. To active for this, there's nothing to do much here. Click on OK and you see it loaded up. So this is on to scale and it is already on the right coordinate system for measurement, right? Other measurement or analysis. So you can select it to create surface from it or any other thing. Okay, and then we can view from different perspectives by clicking on this top icon here, the isometric southwest view, perspective view. So you can see here, and you can check from the southeast and conduct any measurement of your choice. So you can set up the unit before you conduct your measurement so that you can have it on the right unit scale. So I need it meters for the measurement meters. Click on OK. So I can calculate distance to any points. So from here to here, so that is about 11.29. You can check any other metric measurement. You can also calculate anything you want to calculate, maybe the road between the access road. So this is about zoom, it's about 12 meters. Okay, so that's how to import your LiDAR data set into the Civil 3D work environment. If you are in need of practice data, you can check the description of this video to get it from the platform. Right, so you can get your own data set in case you do not have a practice data within your reach. Thank you. See you in the next video.